Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 4 best VPN for Windows 10, and I'll be walking you through one of the top apps in this category. Now, let's get started. At number 4 on our list is ITOVVPN. This app is available on the Microsoft Store, with a rating of 4.6 out of 5 and over 5 reviews so far. ITOVVPN is designed to hide your IP address, protect your privacy and security, and give you access to global content freely. It's fast, easy to use, and perfect for browsing, gaming, streaming, and working safely online. Some of the standout features of ITOVVPN include FreeVPN. You can download and use the VPN completely free without registration or a credit card. High-speed connections. Enjoy fast browsing and streaming without slowdowns, even on the free version. Privacy protection. Your IP and online activity are hidden, keeping you safe from hackers and trackers. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. When you open ITOVVPN, the first screen you see is the Home tab. Here, you get an overview of your connection status and the main VPN controls. Next, we click on the All Services tab. This section shows you the available server locations and options to connect to different countries, letting you browse and stream from anywhere in the world. Finally, in the For Download section, you can see additional tools, updates, or options to download new resources and services that enhance the VPN experience. The interface is simple, clean, and easy to navigate, making it straightforward for anyone to use. Overall, ITOVVPN combines speed, security, and simplicity, making it a great choice if you're looking for a free VPN on Windows 10. At number 3 on our list is Hotspot Shield FreeVPN. On the Microsoft Store, this app has a rating of 4.6 out of 5, with over 417 reviews. Hotspot Shield is designed to give you fast, secure, and private internet access, allowing you to browse, stream, game, and stay safe online, even on public Wi-Fi. Some of the standout features of Hotspot Shield FreeVPN include free unlimited VPN. You can use the VPN without a credit card, though it is ad-supported. Lightning fast speeds. Enjoy VPN connections up to 2.2 times faster than many other free services. One-tap connect. Connect to the VPN instantly with a single tap, making it simple to stay protected. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. On the home screen, you'll see the main VPN controls and connection status. From here, you can connect or disconnect with one tap and view your current server location. Next, the My Account tab shows your account details, subscription status, and options to manage your profile. It's a simple place to check your account information at a glance. Finally, the About tab gives you more information about the app, its version, and any additional support or legal details. This helps you understand the app better and access help if needed. Overall, Hotspot Shield FreeVPN is fast, secure, and easy to use, making it a great choice for anyone who wants private internet access on Windows 10 without any complicated setup. At number 2 on our list is VPN Proxy, fast and unlimited. On the Microsoft Store, this app has a rating of 4.2 out of 5 with over 1,000 reviews. VPN Proxy lets you bypass censorship, access geo-restricted websites and streaming services, hide your IP address, and maintain your privacy online with a fast and easy-to-use interface. Some of the standout features of VPN Proxy include unlimited access. Browse any website or streaming service without restrictions. Privacy protection. Hide your IP address and avoid browser fingerprinting for secure browsing. Lightning fast speed. Enjoy smooth and quick connections for streaming, gaming, and browsing. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. On the home screen, you can see your connection status and quickly connect to a VPN server with a single tap. This makes it simple to get protected instantly. From the My Account section, you can manage your profile, subscription, and settings. It's easy to view your account details and make adjustments whenever needed. Finally, the About section provides information about the app, its version, and support resources. This helps you understand the app better and access help if you ever need it. Overall, VPN Proxy. Fast and Unlimited is a reliable, fast, and user-friendly VPN that lets you explore the web freely while staying safe on Windows 10. At number 1 on our list is VPN, PlanetVPN. On the Microsoft Store, this app has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 with over 17 reviews. PlanetVPN is built to provide complete online anonymity, secure your internet traffic with military-grade encryption, and give you unrestricted access to blocked websites and services without requiring registration. Some of the standout features of PlanetVPN include no registration required. You can install the app and connect instantly without creating an account. Advanced security protocols uses StarGuard, OpenVPN, and Tap Windows Provider v9 for strong encryption. Full access to blocked content, easily access streaming sites, social networks, and restricted websites. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. After launching PlanetVPN, you can click on the 3 dots in the app to access additional options. When you open the settings section, you'll see options related to connection preferences and security controls. This area allows you to adjust how the VPN behaves and manages your connection. Next, the About Us section provides information about PlanetVPN, including app details and background information. It's useful if you want to learn more about the service you're using. Finally, the feedback option lets you share your experience with the developers. From here, you can report issues or suggest improvements directly through the app. Overall, PlanetVPN delivers strong security, complete anonymity, and easy access to blocked content, making it our top choice for the best VPN on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows guides and app reviews.